Good morning everyone and welcome to Blashford Lakes. The entrance to Blashford Lakes is just here, and there should be a lay-by up ahead. Right, we're here. So this bank with all the holes in, this is where the sand martins are nesting. You see them flying in, feeding their young, going out.
All dotted all around the place, so there's two blinds on this side, just on the far part, which is very good that you go out here and all the way down.
Do you know what this burn is here, and this little sack thing? The one that's just sticking up on the phone here, right from this, about halfway up with the bird sitting there.
Just along the shore where the bushes are, just beyond the bank. This is where we've been spotting the kingfisher multiple times. Yeah, he's just above the ducks. Facing us now, red towards us. I think he's too far away for stills, don't you?
He is. The moorhens were walking around the shore.
Yeah. What are you shooting with? Panasonic?
Fuji.
Oh, Fuji.
Yeah.
Actually, I was shooting at 60 frames a second, not 120. I turned it down.
Oh, yeah, that's slow, isn't it? Damn.
I found the 120 quite often too much,
Yeah.
and 60 feels more like a sweet spot.
Right, okay.
Because the other problem is that, you know, when you're shooting 120, you end up with just so many
Shots. You've only got £2.5 and counts.
I went to Hawk Conservancy and I think I had 15,000 then. But a lot of them are, you know, because you've got pre-capture as well, you know, you're capturing, yeah, 2/3, half to 2/3, which are basically the bird's not even in the shot sort of thing. Well, maybe a quarter where the bird's not in the shot, and then you go through the others and you can lose another quarter where they're out of focus or something.
That's all my shots.
Nah, not with this camera. The one you're using now. It was the Sony you used last time it had trouble, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, the Sony seemed to be sticky and locking on. Well, it looked like it locked on and it was really sticky and it was little box was following our eye all over. This exactly.
And then it wasn't.
No, for me, not one. Every one is just slightly off. The Fuji's not it's not anywhere near as sticky as the Sony. Just when it does nail it, it nails it properly.
Damn.
Sometimes.
These birds are blooming impossible, aren't they?
But none of them in flight.
Yeah, very surprising how fast he moves. This is hide number 2. So this is the next hide, Ivy North. We've got reed warblers here, if you can see them. So we're desperately trying to spot the reed warblers to shoot. They're allegedly supposed to start on the reeds and climb to the top and perch there for a little bit. They're not. They're down in the reeds. Autofocus is useless because it's just picking up on the nearest reed. The birds are actually in the middle of the reeds, where you could just about see them. And the only way you can spot them is, there's another one just flew over there. The only way you can spot them is that the reeds twitch. You've got the gentle movement of the wind, but then there's like a slight twitch, so you know that there's a bird there, and you watch intently, you can just see a brown fuzz somewhere in the middle that's kind of working its way towards the top. But we've only got one so far where it got to the top, and I was in video mode, so I've got it on video, I hope, show you that. But I haven't managed to get a still of it yet. I've switched to manual focus because they're in the middle. Russ has just seen one in front of you. Yeah, just down there. Just see like a fraction of movement and then they're gone. And by the time you've actually just focused, then they have gone. We've had several attempts like that, both me and Russ. Right, got a read. Ah, got one. Ah, he's moved. There he is.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's gone down.
Going the wrong way. Oh no, he's out, he's out. Can you turn my body in time to get him?
There was one down here. Where's he gone?
Oh, there he is. He's just through there. And through there. There he is. He's working his way.
Okay, yeah.